Hey everyone, I hope you're having a great day and you're doing really well. My name is Paul and I'm with Realdigiads and I'm also a realtor. In today's video training, I'll show you how to create a successful search campaign by city on Google using the Realdigiads platform. It's easy. So let's dive right in. We're going to click on New Campaign. We currently offer Google search campaigns by city, subdivision, or community. This campaign will be by city, and I'll click on New Campaign. You have the option to have us completely set up the campaign for you, or you could do it yourself. I'm going to select Self-Guided. Now my campaign has already been named with my name and that it's a campaign by city. I'm going to change this to easily identify my campaign. This is a campaign to sell condos on the ocean in Boca Raton. This is where you'll need to add your city and state, and to do that, enter your city. Make sure to select your city and state from the drop-down list. Very important. By default, all your campaigns will be in English unless you change them. We recommend a starting budget of at least $20 a day. And as far as ad schedule, every day, all day, until your campaign matures. Then you can tweak these settings. So for now, we're going to leave it and just click Next. Our ad group has automatically been created. Here's the city and state. These are our preloaded keywords. And as you can see, the city is included in our keywords. These are high converting keywords for real estate. We've already done the keyword research for you. Also recommend adding in your name and the name of your brokerage or your team. If you'd like to add more keywords, they're right here. Just check a box and they'll appear. I'm going to remove it, and here's why. We recommend when you start a campaign to go with the preloaded keywords. We use artificial intelligence and machine learning to improve campaigns by optimizing. In the beginning, your campaign will be in a learning phase. So if you add more keywords and get clicks and not many conversions, it will not help you. In addition, you really need to increase your budget as well. So I'm going to leave this and click Next. This is our ad. It's a responsive ad. I'm going to show you that in a moment. I'm going to name the ad. I've already created a landing page to sell condos on the ocean in Boca Raton. I'm going to add that here. As far as my display URL, homepage is fine. Now, it's a responsive ad, and you can have up to 5 headlines and 4 ad descriptions. To get the 5 headlines, you need to click and click again. To get the 4 ad descriptions, it's the same, just click. You could change these to whatever you would like, and you could use our campaign glossary to get headline ideas and description ideas. I'm going to close it. This is what our ad will look like on Google. I'm going to click Complete, but we're not done. Google offers ad extensions to make your ad stand out more and potentially get more clicks and conversions. It doesn't cost anything extra, and of course, we've done most of the work for you. Just click on Create Extensions. These are call-out extensions. You can have up to 6. Just click to add 2 more. You could change these if you like. Again, use our campaign glossary to get ideas. This is what your ad will look like, and these are the call-out extensions at the bottom. Now, these are structured snippets. They're similar to call-out extensions. You can have up to 6, and you can change them as well. And this is what they look like at the bottom of your ad. Now, these are site link extensions. Site link extensions provide a way to market other landing pages and properties within one campaign. This is a campaign to sell condos on the ocean in Boca Raton. So my first site link extension will be gated communities in Boca Raton to sell single-family homes. My next one will be Alina Condos for sale. It's a brand new community in downtown Boca Raton, very high-end. You can walk to restaurants and shopping. And this third one I'll use is Fieldbrook Estates. These are estate single-family homes in a gated community. Now look at the ad. It's huge. It really stands out. In addition, if you click on my ad, you'll be brought to a landing page to view listings for condos on the ocean. If you click on Boca Gated Communities, you'll be brought to a different landing page to look at single-family homes in gated communities. Same with Alena and Fieldbrook Estates. Click Complete. Now our campaign has been sent over to Google to be reviewed to make sure that we're in compliance with their policies and procedures. It should be live within 24 to 48 hours.